Yeah, hi, welcome to Innovation Electronics. So in this video, I'm going to show you river water quality monitoring system. So in this project, we can check the water quality of the river because nowadays a lot of companies are directly distributing the used water in the river source. That time what happened, the water quality became very worst condition. So here we are using some sensor in order to monitor the water quality level. If the quality is more than nominal value, that time what happened, the system will automatically identify and send the notification to correspond number. Okay, so and also the system we can monitor all the data through our IoT also, which means we can monitor all data through IoT application also. So here we use a Blynk application in order to monitor the data. So first one is a pH value and second one is a TDS, which means water TDS we can monitor, and third one is a gas level, and the fourth one is a turbidity. Okay, so this project required Wi-Fi connection. Now my mobile hotspot also turned on. Now you turn on the project. If the project is getting online, we can see all the data through application. So it's waiting for Wi-Fi connection. If it connected, yes, Wi-Fi also connected. Okay, fine. So now you can see pH value 6.4 because that is a pH sensor. This is a original pH sensor we have to use in order to monitor the pH value. I'm going to open it now. So this is a pH sensor. I am taking two solutions here in order to show different pH value. You can see here two different solution. Now you can see the pH value is 6.4. I am going to dip in one water. So it's showing pH value 6.5. You can see in a display. I go to the close-up. You can see the pH value 6.5. So next I'm going to put better. I will show here. So next I'm going to put another one solution. So the pH value is 6.4. So depends upon the water quality, it will show the pH value. Okay, you can see the pH value become very low, 6.4. If put another one solution, it's showing 6.5. So this way we can check the pH value of the water. And next I will show the TDS value. You can see all the data through application also. I will show data in parallelly. So this is a TDS sensor which is used to find the TDS level of the water. I'm going to put in normal water. You can see the TDS value is 283. So this is one another one solution, which means here I added more salt content. So that time what happened, it's showing the TDS is 281. Why? Because why the TDS value more than high now? Here we used more salt in order to induce the ionization process. That's why if you put it normal water, the TDS value become low, like you have to wait for a few seconds. So 278 like that. If you put it here, the value become high, 289. Right? Okay. And finally we are using turbidity sensor also in order to monitor the turbidity value of the water. If we put inside of the water, we can get turbidity value also. So this is the turbidity. So now it's showing turbidity is 0. We have to make it's a loose contact. Okay, so turbidity is 32. So the turbidity almost similar because we are using a transparent solution both system. That's why it's showing constant value. So if next I will show the gas sensor. So for demo we can use any body spray or a sanitizer. So here I am going to use LPA in order to show the demo. I am going to spray here. Now you can see the gas value is 1840. If I go to the near gas sensor, the value become increase. You can see 850. So if the gas value is more than nominal value, that time output LED getting going, the servo motor also give notification. Actually, what is the use of servo motor here? If the water became more dirty or more it's not a good water, means the servo motor will automatically lock the water in order to mix with our water source. So that's why I used one servo motor. So now I'm going to explain the components. So what are the components we used here? So here we use ESP32 board. This board acts as a brain of the project because the ESP going to collect data from all the sensor. The ESP only going to update all the data in Blynk server also. So this ESP contains inbuilt Bluetooth option also. So but here we are using a Wi-Fi connection only. And this is a pH sensor, and this is a turbidity sensor, and this one is a TDS sensor, and this is a gas sensor. And here we used one servo motor in order to open and close the water outlet. And this is the GSM model SIM 800, which is used to send SMS notification to corresponding number. We can send more than 2 members also, that's not a matter. And here we used one buck converter in order to provide enough current for our sensor. So thank you for watching. If you want to buy this project, you can contact our office number. Thank you.